in a year or two at the rate of technology change now. We have to really provide them with a theory behind how these systems are actually designed, how they operate, how all the different pieces interact with each other, so that when they get out there and the vehicles start to have changes at the rate that we were seeing them, they can rapidly acquire the new knowledge that they need to be able to apply that new technology in the vehicle with the other systems so that they can do their diagnostics and their repairs. Big thing that Mark mentioned, the hands-on training. You have to have the hands-on training to support the theory. Our student body as a whole thinks that's all they need. They would prefer to have 100% hands-on. Obviously that can't happen, but without the hands-on training, the simple theory just doesn't work. It needs to have some live lab work for the students. The simulations, as good as they look on paper from a financial and a safety standpoint, just don't get the students what they actually need. They need to have the actual experience of breaking something on a car when they're taking it apart because it was rusted together, and when they went to take it apart, it just didn't come apart the way they expected. Not that we want to break a lot of pieces, but we'd rather have them break some stuff here while they're learning than when they're out working full time. The live lab work, we use a lot of actual customer vehicles. We don't use many vehicles that are owned by the school for our traditional automotive program. What I mean by that is we actually take in outside work from other faculty members, other students, so they're vehicles that have actual problems with them. So the students aren't fixing the same problem over and over and over on the same car and being, the same brakes getting taken off and putting back on. We found that without having the live work, the actual problems where they can see a wide variety of different vehicles, a wide variety of different problems, and also have customer contact where they have to deal with what the customer complaint is, call the customer with an estimate for the repair, really leans towards a higher quality overall output from the program so the students have a better rounded experience. The key with all of this is that's for our normal automotive program, but we have to carry all of that over to the hybrid electric vehicle training end as well. And that's been a real problem within the industry from what I've seen personally, and I know we've struggled with it a lot